As the global demand for quality housing grows, Japan faces a unique challenge. An aging and decreasing population has resulted in 10 million houses sitting empty, abandoned, and at risk of demolition. One such treasure is the Chiba Waterfall house, nestled in the Yoro Valley, beside the stunning Awamata Waterfall. Abandoned for decades, this forgotten retreat has a new chance of life, thanks to a young Swedish developer with a passion for traditional Japanese buildings. Now, the challenge is on to carefully transform and restore the Waterfall house into a vibrant destination for eco-conscious travelers. But working in this area of natural beauty requires machines that are quiet, compact, and powerful, while being precise and fuel efficient to create the lowest possible impact. Perhaps above all, it requires vision, sensitivity, and respect for the environment.
When I first saw this old abandoned Japanese house right next to Awamata Waterfalls, I knew I had to bring it back to life. You could feel the power of nature just by being here. The flowing water in the gardens, and then you have this huge waterfall greeting you. That power of nature really hit me. With the fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design, I wanted to create something simple and beautiful to match the surrounding of the house. For me, building a future for these old forgotten homes isn't about building accommodations. It's about preserving history and culture and bringing it to the future.
It's a diverse world, but one thing unites us. We are all building something. For some, it's a vision, reviving and rebuilding the past to create a more sustainable future. Whatever you're building, we are building with you.